Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make simple animation videos using Synfig Studio. Before begin, I would like to share with you one of the top-ranking YouTube Synfig animation channel that inspire me very much. This is the Marevna Project channel that hits 4.2k subscribers and 488k views. So, this is very impressive, right? Are you getting excited? Want to know how to do this? Stay tuned. I will show you a simple step to make almost similar kind of Synfig animation video. For free PNG images, you can go to freepngimg.com website to download. Of course, you can also draft or use your own created PNG images into the Synfig Studio for 2D animation. If you would like to change your voice, you can use the free online text-to-speech translator. Simply go to the ttsmp3.com website. Select the country and the speaker voice. For instance, I choose the US English, IV speakers. Type in the text in the dialog box and press Red to listen to the voice. If you satisfy with the voice, click the download button and save to your directory. For open source and free video editor software, you can go to Google and key in Synfig Studio to search for the official website or click on the link below. The Synfig Studio is a free open source 2D animation software. The main features in this software include vector tweening, layers and filters, bones and advanced controls. Download the application to start doing simple 2D animation. I select the Windows 64-bit portable. Name a fair price, can enter 0 and press Get Synfig. Type email address and click Continue. Select your own country location and postage code, click Continue. Click Complete Checkout. Select Synfig Windows 64-bits portable and save it to your favor location. Unzip the portable file and click on the Synfig Studio icon to open the application. To minimize the canvas screen, you can press the minus button. Go to Canvas tab, click on the Properties. You can set or edit the image size and adjust the animation time setting. Go to File tab, select Import. First of all, I choose to import the voice for the animation. You can also rename the imported file. Go to File tab, choose Import to insert background image. Drag the red button to scale the image. Go to the File tab, choose Import to insert again a house background image. Drag the green button to move the image. Repeat the same process for the rest of the image. To start animation, select the image. For instance, I want to animate the animal image. Click on the green humanoid green icon. At 0 frame, slightly move a bit the green button of the image. You will be able to see the orange round button appeal on the time frame areas. Select the time frame, click to 12 frame, click the green button and move the image. The orange round button will appeal on the time frame. Repeat the same process for the rest of the animation. After complete, click on the red humanoid icon to turn back into green to stop the animation. Repeat the same process for the rest of the images for animation. Press the rewind button and press play button to preview your final animation results. Click File tab and choose Render to export your animation project. The rendering process might take some time. After rendering, you can preview the animation video.
The story began upon a long time ago. There was a small village far away in the unknown jungle.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button and don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos and hope to see you soon.